Good afternoon, guests of the 2018 Alumni Conference. My name is Nathan, and I'm talking today about mathematics and architecture. But how can you talk about mathematics and architecture without bringing up some Greek history? The Hagia Sophia was designed by the Greeks called Isidorus and Anthemios, but they were not referred to as architects. They were referred to as mathematicians and as master geometers. The Hagia Sophia went on to be the largest church in the world for 1,000 years. But as teachers, we don't need to travel far to see geometry in the real world. We have geometry in every single classroom. What if I told you there was an app, a free app called RoomScan, that can use geometry to create a floor plan of your classroom on the spot? What does that look like? I'll have it playing in the background. Just by standing in the middle of the classroom, a student can rotate their device around to virtually mark all the corners of the room. And doing this, the app can calculate the perimeter and area as well. Now, when you're teaching stage 4, mathematics, area and perimeter, and split your students into groups of 2 or 3, and you can get them to use this app to create a floor plan, and thus giving them the area and perimeter. They can then compare their answers with estimates and also with real-life measurements such as measuring tape. And if you have already taught the students percentages and volume, incorporate that as well. Ask the students, if the height of the classroom is 3 meters, what now is the whole volume of our classroom? I hope that you have become a little bit more encouraged to use geometry and technology in your classrooms in the future. Thank you, and I hope you have a good evening.